YouTube, what's going on, guys? So, low light test or night test with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Um, I've had this now for about 72 hours. I got a video coming out next week about picking up this device, doing the unboxing in the store, and my feelings about it after 48 hours. Well, this is another day I've had it. And I can't complain, man. I get the 16 Pro Max. I know a lot of people get the Pro, but I'd rather get the 16 Pro Max because of the battery size and the screen size. Going to 6.9, that means you're getting a bigger battery and you're getting more screen. Now, I have big hands. If you're a person with smaller hands, yeah, the weight, just the size of it may seem wieldy. But if you know how to use one-handed mode, which I'm gonna do some videos just talking about the basic things that you can do on an iPhone, that I see a lot of people, especially here, who have older iPhones, have no clue what a lot of this stuff is that you can use, and the purpose of getting an iPhone, like FaceTime, iMessage, AirDrop. Like I with someone and they want to get a photo I took, they like, well, send it to me on WhatsApp. I'm like, no, the quality on WhatsApp sucks. I'll just airdrop it to you. And they're like, airdrop? So I'll airdrop it. And they're like, well, how did you do that? I'm like, how long have you had this phone? 3 years, 4 years? No clue how a lot of that stuff works. I'm not saying everybody in the country. I mean, I'm just saying like most of my friends who get iPhones are clueless when it comes to how to use an iPhone. So just little tips and tricks, man. Basic stuff you would think everyone knows. A lot of people don't. And we kind of take it for granted, those of us who are in the tech space, who kind of mess with these things, right? As a hobby, I do it as a hobby. Not trying to get famous, just something to do as a retiree, Not working anymore, can't work. So I mess with tech. Fun things to do. But anyway, though, guys, hopefully this gives you an example. Night mode, I'm filming at 4K 30 frames per second, and this is not bad at all. I mean, when I'm looking at the screen, it shows it much brighter than it actually is outside. Even when I show you the really dark spots that I can't even see, it brightens everything up. So it is getting enough light in there for sure. Anyway, though, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Hey, I appreciate everybody watching as always. And until the next time, guys, I'm out of here. Peace. Enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, I forgot. I'm also filming on the DJI Mic Mini.